Did you know the deadliest sniper in history was a quiet Finnish farmer who had never been to war? His name was Simo Häyhä. He was small, soft-spoken, and preferred the company of his dogs over people. Then the Soviet Union invaded Finland in 1939. Temperatures dropped to -40 degrees Celsius. The forests went completely white, and Simo disappeared into them. He wore all white. He packed snow into his mouth to hide his breath. He used no scope, just iron sights, because a scope can catch the light and give you away. In just over 100 days, he recorded more than 500 confirmed kills. The Soviets sent counter-snipers after him, then artillery, then entire squads with one job: find and kill the White Death. None of them came back. He was finally stopped by an explosive bullet that tore away part of his jaw. He survived. He regained consciousness on the exact day Finland signed the peace treaty. The unsettling part was never the numbers. It was that he went back to farming afterward, like nothing happened.